Get ready to witness something truly extraordinary. We are thrilled to present one of our brightest stars, M. Netra of Class 7F. She has earned the title of IBR Achiever from the Indian Book of Records and also recognized by the Worldwide Book of Records. Parents, let's cheer her up, please. She has recited all 118 elements of the periodic table in just 39 seconds. Then she has broken her own record and recited in 32 seconds.
Good evening, everyone. I am going to recite all the 118 elements of the periodic table. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, tellurium, iodine, xenon, cesium, barium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosmium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, lutetium, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold, mercury, thallium, lead, bismuth, polonium, astatine, radon, francium, radium, actinium, thorium, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium, lawrencium, rutherfordium, dubnium, seaborgium, borium, hassium, meitnerium, darmstadtium, ruangenium, copernicium, nihonium, flerovium, moscovium, livermorium, tennessine, oganesson. I achieved it in the India Book of Records by reciting them in 39 seconds and broke my own record by reciting them in 34 seconds in Worldwide Book of Records. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, I would like to thank my chairman sir for giving this wonderful opportunity and my chemistry ma'am Megha Anandi ma'am and my ACO ma'am Hemalata ma'am for training and supporting me. Thank you all.
தங்கமுன்னு ஊரு ஒன்ன மேல தூக்கி வைக்கும் திண்டுக்கல் பூட்டு ரெண்டு மாட்டி பூட்டி வைக்கும் விட்டு வாடி ராசாத்தி ஒன்னரியே காப்பாத்தி